Hello, I'm going to walk through the small web application which has an admin page for adding students and updating hours. This web app also has a student login page to view the students' hours. On the login page, you can enter your ID and your password. Then you can log in. It shows the student's name and a logout button. It shows the student's first name, last name, ID, and hours. You can also log in as admin. To log in as admin, just type 0 and then admin password. Then click the login button. Admin login successful. Now you can see the students. I can add hours and I can search for a student. I can clear the queries and I can create a new one. I can also choose what to query by. I can add an account. And here I can add hours to the student too. You can also log out. I have used Python. So to download Python, just go to the downloads and then download here. I also use MongoDB, which is a very simple, popular database. I can also use the MongoDB Compass to view the users. Thank you. Bye.